Social exchange theory argues that people judge relationships based on what they gain versus what they give. However, this does not match real-life experiences where people often feel most satisfied when the relationship is fair, not simply when they personally profit. Equity theory, developed by Hatfield and colleagues in the 1970s, focuses on this idea of fairness. According to the theory, people are happiest when the ratio of what they put into what they get out is roughly equal for both partners, even if that level of investment is high or low. Inequity and relationship dissatisfaction. Equity theory builds on the idea that relationships involve exchanges of rewards and costs, but it argues that what matters is the balance, not the total amount. A relationship is equitable when one partner's rewards minus their costs are roughly equal to their partner's outcome. When a relationship feels unfair, distress follows. Over-benefited partners may feel guilt or embarrassment. Under-benefited partners often experience anger, frustration, or resentment. The greater the imbalance, the stronger the dissatisfaction, and the more motivated partners may be to correct it. Changes in equity over time. Schaefer and Keith, 1980, surveyed married couples across different life stages. During the child-rearing years, wives commonly felt under-benefited and husbands felt over-benefited, leading to lower marital satisfaction. In contrast, during newlywed periods and after children leave home, both partners were more likely to report fairer divisions of responsibilities and higher satisfaction. Hatfield and Rapson, 2011, suggested that awareness of fairness is strongest in the early stages of a relationship. Over time, as commitment deepens, couples become less focused on calculating who gives and who gets. Long-term couples tend not to keep score, and those in equitable marriages are less likely to have affairs and tend to stay together longer. Bias and Wang, 2004. Restoring equity. When partners sense inequality, they may try to restore balance in three ways. Hatfield and Rapson, 2011. Restoring actual equity by changing behavior, contributing more, or encouraging the partner to adjust their input. Restoring psychological equity, by mentally reframing the situation, to convince themselves the relationship is fair. Leaving the relationship either by ending it physically, or mentally withdrawing from emotional involvement. Key study, Stafford and Canary, 2006. Procedure. Stafford and Canary examined how fairness and satisfaction were linked to relationship maintenance behaviors. Over 200 married couples completed questionnaires on equity, satisfaction, and strategies, such as assurances, expressing commitment, task sharing and positivity. Findings. Spouses who felt their relationship was fair reported the highest satisfaction. Over-benefited partners were next, and under-benefited partners were the least satisfied. Under-benefited husbands in particular reported fewer maintenance behaviors. The findings indicated a cycle. Equitable treatment increases happiness, which in turn encourages behaviors that help maintain equity.